anybody ever wonders like why I never hold my camera like this, my phone, when I'm recording, is because for the life of me I cannot figure out where the viewfinder is, and I feel like I'm always like looking around. I mean, I'm always looking around anyways, you know, but I feel like it's even worse when my phone is like this. Like I feel like my neck is all cranked trying to figure out where the I think it's right there, but yeah, anyways, so this is gonna be cooking with Brittany in her dirty ass kitchen. I just wanted to show you a quick recipe really quickly as I'm making it. So I just have to say the smell is to die for. I seriously have an addiction to garlic, so yeah, but stay tuned. Welcome. We will call this cooking in my dirty ass kitchen. But I thought I'd just show you guys really quickly a recipe that I make with some asparagus. So I have lined this awesome cookie sheet that I actually used last night for the asparagus. Actually I used it for baking bacon yesterday morning, and then used the leftover bacon grease to cook the asparagus yesterday, and then I just scraped off all the gross stuff. Scraped off most of, because you know bacon grease like piles up, so scrape that off and added a little bit more from my reserve jar bacon grease, and some garlic. This one, crushed garlic. I'll be adding some garlic salt and pepper, and a couple little, like probably about a tablespoon of this Tillamook cheese butter, and then I will be actually adding cheese. But I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Yesterday I did 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and it was too long. It made them all crispy. So let's see what happens in 10 minutes. Okay guys, I just pulled these out. Look at them all sizzly and delicious. Those are chunks of garlic, which I will spread around just to, you know, get it kind of mixed in. And then I'm going to kind of pull these a little closer to each other. They're a pretty good consistency right now. I think yesterday they were pretty crispy. Oh, and when you cook in bacon grease, just a little warning, they get really greasy. So this is more like a, like if you like the greasy baked, almost like a French fry, but not really a French fry. Don't quote me on that. It's not a French fry. It's totally not a French fry. It's still asparagus, but they get like crunchy at the ends and crunchy, and like the middle is all like squishy and delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and, I forgot to put the salt and pepper on earlier, so I'm gonna do that now. And I unfortunately can't hold my phone. So I used Kirkland black pepper grinder for pepper, and then, no, this is garlic salt, but it's just garlic powder, pink Himalayan salt, onion powder, and I think a little bit of pepper, and dried parsley, because I make it myself so I don't have to get all the preservatives. And then this cheese that you see is Monterey Jack. I'm thinking it's like half an ounce. Honestly, I forgot to weigh it, but I don't think it's an ounce. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back in the oven for about 3 minutes just to get the cheese to melt. Oven, I'm gonna let it rest. This is, I think I calculated about 20 thin. I just put them as extra small or small asparagus. 1 ounce of cheese, half a tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of bacon grease, and then I will let you guys know what the macros are. Look for my Carb Manager app screenshot, because that's all I put in was the the macro or like the ingredients for these, so you can see. I know it's 5 net carbs if I eat all 20 of these, which I might. And I'm totally cool with that because yeah, but it's got a good source of fat, a little bit of protein because of the cheese, and delicious. I'm gonna have it for lunch. It's totally attractive. But it is so good. Ignore my messy kitchen, just kidding. This is cooking with Brittany in her messy ass kitchen. So, but these things are so good. I like them baked because I feel like they have like a good crunch to them. They taste like a little bit like bacon, a lot like garlic, which yum. There's nothing wrong with that. And they're just to die for. Yep.